How long do outdoor lighting fixtures actually last? That's a fair question. One of the most common questions homeowners ask me, Bob, how long is this outdoor lighting really going to last? They want to know. Spending hard-earned money. I get it. And that's a fair question. In the Baltimore, Washington area, a professionally designed and installed outdoor lighting system should last you 10 to 20 years or more. The biggest difference comes down to materials and installation. High quality systems use solid brass or copper fixtures, sealed wire connections, and properly sized transformers built for outdoor use. Cheaper fixtures often corrode, fade, or fail early. Modern LED technology also plays a major role. Today's professional LEDs can last 10 to 15 years before needing replacement. With simple annual maintenance, adjusting fixtures, cleaning lenses, checking connections, systems can last you decades. Outdoor lighting should be a long-term investment, not a short-term fix.